Hi, I'm Randall from the English Language Institute at the University of Utah, and I want to welcome Professor Idioms again to this short video.
Hi, Randall. How's it going?
Great. And I just want to comment on that wonderful lecture
Mhm.
that you gave on the history of grammar and the history of idioms over the last 10,000 years. That was certainly a lot in a 20-minute presentation.
Yes, definitely some food for thought, right?
Well, it was more like a seven-course meal to me. And for those that are watching, what do you mean
hmm
food for thought? How can that be used? And what does that mean?
Well, to say that something is food for thought means you need to think about it a lot before you understand it. Like it's not easy to understand right away, so you think about it for a while.
And that could be related to idioms or grammar or history or cooking or anything like that, right?
Right. Yeah. Anything you need to think about for a while to make sure you understand it clearly.
Well, that's certainly food for thought. Thank you, Professor Idioms, for sharing that insightful tip.
Oh, you're welcome. Now I feel kind of hungry. Good thing I'm in the kitchen.
All right. Yeah, go back and grab a sandwich.